Hi, welcome to my channel, Rohit Speaks. And in this video of my hormone series, I'm going to talk about the next gland, which is adrenal gland and the hormones it releases. So adrenal gland, there are two adrenal glands which are right above your kidney. So if these are your kidneys right there. The adrenal glands are right above your kidney, and they are responsible to release four major hormones. One is called as aldosterone, one is called as cortisol, epinephrine, and androgens. They all have different functions. They all regulate your body, make you function, and all of them are pretty important as we have learned about hormones. So, in short, what aldosterone does is it regulates your blood pressure. It allows your blood pressure or your blood to be fluid enough. So, for example, when your blood pressure drops and then it's not enough blood volume, what it does is basically your brain, your hypothalamus, your pituitary gland gives signals to adrenal gland, hey, you need to make sure our blood pressure is okay. So it will convert, it goes through these phases, and your aldosterone is the hormone which converts all of this. And what it does is basically allows more sodium to be absorbed and potassium to be removed from your system. So what it does is basically your sodium is retained in your blood, and it maintains your blood fluid volume. It brings back your pressure up, and it doesn't do that alone. Okay, aldosterone doesn't work alone. There is an antidiuretic hormone called as vasopressin, which I've talked about with the pituitary hormone. So that, along with aldosterone, will maintain and bring your blood pressure up. And once it is up and everything is okay, it goes back into feedback loop, and your brain says, okay, we are good, we should stop it, and then all this comes back to normal. So this is the role of aldosterone, which is one of the hormones released by adrenal gland, and it works alongside the vasopressin to maintain your blood pressure and your blood fluid volume. Next is, which is the important to keep you alive in certain stresses, which is cortisol and adrenaline. So adrenaline or epinephrine, they are the same thing. So these two are, so cortisol technically is called as a stress hormone, and adrenaline or epinephrine is called as your flight and fight hormone. So they work in tandem, they work together. So when you are stressed or when you are being attacked or whatever it is, and you have that feeling of being rushed and you want to be surviving when you are in your survival mode, basically these two will work together. And so when you see something, your brain will signal, oh, we need to respond, we need you active, we need to survive this life threatening act, what is going on. If it is like a tiger in front of you or a car is coming or whatever it is, whatever situation you are in. So adrenocorticotropic hormone is released from pituitary, which will signal the adrenal to release cortisol and adrenaline. These two together will work on several organs. For example, now your body needs to function. What it requires, glucose is the currency, ATP is the currency. So it will go to the liver and ask, whatever I have, convert everything to glucose, increase my blood pressure. I need to act fast. I need more glucose. I need more neurons. I need everything. And you will start breathing faster because your muscles require oxygen and glucose to work faster. So your muscles will tense up. Your heart rate will go up. So basically it will start pumping more blood to everything. You will have tunnel vision, which is called as focused vision, and then your digestion slows down because everything is focusing on your muscle and heart so that you survive that area or you survive that act. And that's what happens when you have that flight and fight. Also, besides fight and flight, cortisol alone also works when you're just stressed at work or stressed with something. You're constantly being stressed, so your body says that, okay, I'm in a shock, I need to survive. So what it will do is cortisol, it's a glucocorticoid hormone, basically. To say itself is basically it will allow your liver to release more glucose so that you function more better. So basically it will help you cope up with whatever stress you have by providing more glucose to all your system to function much better. And that's what cortisol does. And in market, there are mimickers which will mimic the action of cortisol, which mimics the function of adrenaline to keep you more active. And there are a lot of those drugs available in the market. However, my idea here is to explain what hormones are released by adrenal and how it helps you survive as a human. Other one, which was androgen, is a one which releases sex hormones, which I'm going to cover. I believe that will be my last series in the hormone and I'll cover androgens in that part, which will be much more in depth about the sex hormones, male and female specific. So in short, adrenal gland releases four hormones, which is aldosterone, maintains your blood pressure. Cortisol is your stress hormone, which allows your body to cope up with any stress by providing more glucose to all your organs. Epinephrine or adrenaline is the one when you have fight and flight, you're stressed and you want to survive that life-threatening act. Cortisol along with epinephrine will help you survive. And androgen is the other one which makes after puberty it gets active and makes a male and a female. So these are the hormones released by adrenal gland. I will cover the next one, which will be on the sex hormones, and that will conclude my hormone series. So for that, I'll see you on the next video. Till then, goodbye. And let me know if you have any other comments, any other videos you want me to cover. See ya.